Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. In case you're wondering I sound a bit weird today, that's because of the really bad flu. Even that can't stop me from making a video for you guys. So guys, this week's topic is, before that, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and also please click on the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss out any future video notifications. So for the last 1 week I'm wearing this hairstyle, and few people have asked me if I've got new haircut or I'm wearing the fringes. Those who know me, they know my false bangs. So I'm wearing my normal hair in a form of a fringe just to break the normal straight hair pattern that I everyday do. So I thought of sharing this with you guys. I know we all want to have that fringe and we don't want to take the risk of getting it by cutting our hair because we can't grow it overnight, unfortunately. In case you are wondering and you want to see how you will look in the fringe with your real hair. So let's jump right into the video.
So start by brushing your hair and do a deep side part. And then take 2 to 3 inch section of your hair from the front and smooth out your hair. I'm slightly twisting my hair to add little volume to the fringe. Once you're happy with the look, use a bobby pin to secure the section. Then I'm going to tuck this section behind my ear. Pull some hair out to cover the bobby pin and our fake fringe. So to give it a final look, if you have to, pull your hair out a little bit to loosen up the fringe. And we are ready. And for the second type of fringe, do a deep side part as we did for the first one, and take 2 to 3 inch section of your hair from the front and start wrapping or twisting your hair. Then pull out your hair for the desired size of the fringe. Keep twisting and pin it down to secure the section. And then adjust the fringe and give it a final touch.
Since I have a round face, I don't like short fringe on my face. I really like that cuts my face like this so that it doesn't look very big from here. So in case you want full fringe, you can try this style but with a center parting on so that you can have the fringe on both sides, and then try to pull the center bit as close as possible so that it looks like a full fringe. So guys, to perfect this fringe look, you have to experiment a few times what side parting suits you, how much fringe you want, so that you know what suits you the best. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and also give your feedback in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So I see you guys in my new video. Till then, keep smiling and be the best version of yourself. Bye!